Tips. Today I got something probably interesting for you, and actually I got a fully working eMac. Boom. How it looks? It looks interesting. It's so huge. The mouse, you can see it's old style Apple mouse. Keyboard is good quality, it's not bad. Two speakers over here, CD drive there, and the OS. Hopefully we can find it what kind of OS is actually running. Mac OS is 10.2.8, 700 megahertz processor, G4, and 384 megaRAMs. Okay, interesting. What can I do with this eMac? Probably nothing, because it's so slow. Even if you try open anything, it takes ages. Power on is actually like take long time. I think it's like about 3 minutes just switching on, and on time I think it's from 2002. It's been really powerful machine, and as you can see it's still fully working, just only is so slow. Also, I got surprised how many connection got this old Mac. It's actually got a headphones, I think it's microphone, 3 USB port, 2 Wi-Fi, modem, Ethernet cable, and I think this like special Apple display port and power button. That's actually it. Got a power cable here which you can unplug. Hopefully if you like this small piece of history, as you can see it's still working. I really don't know whether I can show more. Okay, it's unbelievable. It's been on my garage almost 1 year and actually still working. Not there. Nice. Click like and subscribe for more.